What's going on, guys? Today on the H&P Auto channel, I'm taking our new project truck to get inspected. Main reason I turned the camera on is we're about to go into this tunnel here. As I dropped it down in first gear, we're going to see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's not too bad. Here we go. Good news. Let me see if I can do this. We were just now leaving Shield service. We got our pass. So she is inspected and ready to go. Now we can get it registered and get a title transfer and make this thing legit. So right now, me and Oakley here, we're on our way back to the house, and we'll see what else we can get rolling for today.
It is now nighttime, and I finally got home from work. I had to run to some stores, pick some stuff up. Probably can't even see me right now, but I'm about to get in project truck here, pull it inside the shop and start working on some paint restoration. So let's see how that goes. Backing up.
What you've been seeing in that time lapse is us trying to do a little restoration. Obviously you can't feel it, but this smoothed out a whole lot, and we got all this oxidation off of just right. No, look at this. You can see where it's shiny in the camera.
Oh my god, that's a huge difference.
Where we've worked, where we haven't worked, where we've worked, where we haven't worked. Just send it with a sander, sand the whole truck. Either that, or we take all the oxidation off and clear coat it with a patina. Well, still, headlight bezel, no headlight bezel.
Now I gotta clean her up.
Yeah. When do you think we'll pull the motor?
Well, we have a special something coming this next weekend, so not then.
Hint, hint.
Very hint, hint.
Hint, hint. Right about there.
Other than that, it'll probably be next week or the weekend after this upcoming one is when we have to go get the cherry picker and the
motor stand. Oh, quite possibly one more hint.
Oh,
right there.
Hey, I haven't brought that up at all. You guys might be in.
Well, now they know. And possibly something going on right about there.
If it fits.
If it fits. It should, though. It's for a 350.
Yeah, he already said that those kits have trimming issues on the headlights where you have to cut it up. So, we might be doing some cutting. This rubbing compound's probably going to take this paint right off, you think?
Oh, you're going to use rubbing compound on the black?
Yeah.
Fuck it, send it. It's not like we can't get more bezels.
With that, I'll just repaint it.
Yeah, see, there you go. We could sand down the black and repaint it in there.
Yeah, and just tape it off somehow.
With tape. That's how you tape it off. Look at that. Look at that.
Didn't even take it off a bit.
Look. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Yep, get me Spartan. Oh.
Okay, let's see if they can hear this. How rough it is. Ready? Go away. Okay. I'm gonna use my other hand now. Oh, damn. You know, without the gimbal, it's really not that hard holding this steady. I mean, it looks...
It just makes a lot of sound.
Well, yeah, like when you switch hands and shit. Just so y'all know, we sent the other headlight bezel on with wood screws, and that's what's about to happen here.
I do what I want.
We do it right around here, okay? We do everything the way you should do it.
We do? Alright, so then you just take your screw gun here with your wood screw.
That's a drill, bud.
That's it, screw gun. There you go.
What do you think about that, buddy?
He's like, the fuck are y'all doing?
You put them on the outside too.
There's nothing to screw into.
Yeah, there is.
No, bro.
There's those little thingamathingies.
This one just has a hole. Look, dude, it's fucking hole. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look, for this one,
Bro, it's perfect. Leave it.
nothing.
Send it. It'll
This
fall
one?
out and go through the tire.
This one, nothing. There's nothing there. So tell me how to do it again.
Hey, take some of that chrome resto to the bumper. Cringe. The cringe factor is high. Let's just slam shit on the hood.
Hey. Only I can do. I thought you were gonna make my ASIC fall off.
No.
Okay, this shit is like 20 years old, so it's kind of gunky.
Yeah,
But
okay.
we're just sanding it.
Well, that's not the bumper, but that'll work too.
Oh, I thought this is what you were talking about.
That's the grill. Or the grill bezel. Or... Well, you fancy, huh? Oakley, move, son. I'm trying to work here, bud. Oh, you gonna go for buffing compound?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Get some of that crud off.
oh shit.
Well, I ain't done yet, so shit. Hey,
Almost fell
watch
off.
the car.
Shines bright like a diamond.
Shines bright like my butthole. We're cutting that.
Nope. Nope, we're keeping it. Gotta look at the camera, not me, bud.
Remnants of leftover barbed wire.
If you saw yesterday's video,
Yeah.
you know what happened to the barbed wire license plate.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Previous owner, if you're watching and you really liked that thing, I'm sorry, but it's really ugly.
Oh. Oh, what is that beauty right there? This truck gets better and better by the day, doesn't it?
Not really.
Sure it does.
I know.
Now it's got headlight bezels and a clean bumper.
It's been one day.
Oh, and it's inspected.
Oh, you're right.
And it has insurance.
It does?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That happened today. Hell yeah, brother. And Oakley rode in it. That makes it 100 times better. Fuck you. It's okay, buddy. I still love you.